Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to find and replace in Excel. Let's get started. The Find functionality allows you to search through your data. To open the Find functionality, click on the Home tab. Click on Find and select. Click on Find. The Find and Replace pop-up will appear. Type what you are searching inside the Find What box. In our example, we will type apples in lowercase. Click on Find Next. Excel will scan through the sheet in search of apples. In this sheet, we have three variations of where apples is listed: apples, green apples, and red apples. The Match Case checkbox allows you to narrow your search based on the case of the word. Click into the Match Case checkbox and click on Find Next. A pop-up message appears stating that Excel was unable to find apples in lowercase because all of the apples in the spreadsheet have a capital A. If you update apples to a capital A and search again, the three results will display again. We will uncheck the Match Case checkbox. To explore the Match Entire Cell Contents checkbox. This checkbox will only show results when the entire cell matches your search criteria. For example, if you type just the word apples, it will only find where just the word apples is used. It will exclude red and green apples. If you add red and click on Find Next, it will find red apples. If we also check the match box, then we can generate results that will match the case as well as the entire contents of the cell. For example, if we change the A in apple to a lowercase, the result will no longer display red apples. If you change the A to a capital, then the red apples will be displayed. Let's uncheck both boxes and remove red apples to learn how to search through multiple sheets. We will type honey into the search box. Click into the Within drop-down to select Workbook. Excel will search for honey in the entire workbook, which includes Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. Click on Find Next. In our example, we will have one instance of honey in each sheet. If we click into the Match Case checkbox, there will be a pop-up to show that Excel was unable to find any instances of honey with a lower case. If we change honey to uppercase and click Next, Excel will once again find the two instances in both sheets. Now we'll learn how to generate a list of results. We'll replace honey with dairy and remove the filters. And click on Find All. A list will display which will show all instances where dairy appears in the entire workbook. It will show the sheet name as well as the cell number. If you click on it, it will take you to the cell. You can also narrow this list by changing the Within drop-down from Worksheet to Sheet so that it only displays results within the specific sheet. Next, we will learn how to replace one value for another. Click on the Replace tab. Let's delete dairy. In the Find What, we will add beverage. In the Replace With box, we will type drinks. Click on Find All. It will display all instances of beverage in Sheet 2. You can choose to replace a specific instance from the list by clicking to select and click on Replace. You can also click on Replace All to replace all instances of beverage with drinks. Thanks for watching. Check out my Excel playlist and become a YouTube member by clicking on Join to get access to this Excel file. For more videos, comment, like, and subscribe.